익숙하겠지 또다시 감기처럼 툭 걸린 밀려드는 잿빛에 수없이 지나쳐도 여전히.
Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a Q&A. I haven't filmed a video since last year, since forever. So I'm sorry if I'm a little rusty, if I'm a little everywhere. I asked you guys on Instagram, per usual, to send me some questions or just, comment some questions back in December 9th. I haven't talked to you guys in forever and I feel like you guys don't know anything about me anymore. And if you guys follow me on all my different forms of social media, right here, you guys get a little glimpse of my life here and there. I don't usually post the same thing on all platforms, so you guys have probably gotten a lot of mixed moods from me. And if you guys don't know already or don't see it already, my room changed a bit, so get excited, follow me on all my social media to see some updates on the transformation. So anyway, let's just hop into the Q&A. First off, a lot of you guys asked me how's it going, how am I, just in general, and I'm doing okay. Much better than like right now, I'm doing a lot better than I have been in the past couple of months. Much better than the past month. The past month has been quite a ride. I'm in junior year in high school in America, so that's like 11th grade or grade 11. I don't know the proper name, but just we have a rigorous schedule this year, or at least I do. For me at least, I've never taken over one AP class a year. This year I'm taking 3. I'm taking 2 of the hardest ones. I'm taking AP Chem and AP World History. And it's just been a challenge, but I'm trying to balance it. It's very stressful, I guess, and there's a lot of college going on in my face. There's a lot of competition in terms of grades and how good you are as a student, so it's just like a lot of pressure for many students in my situation right now. So generally that's just how I feel, and if you guys follow me on my Finsta, did a whole paragraph about like how I was feeling and how I was kind of lost, how I never wanted to be lost and stuff like that, and how I just always knew what I wanted but somehow just got sidetracked and just lost sight, I guess, of what I wanted. And I think that's just because of the stress and because of just feelings I had buried over the years. And those feelings are things that has to do with how I see myself, how others have commented about me, whether it be friends or family. It's just a lot of accumulated feelings and stuff that I've just suppressed. So it just all came out within the last year, a lot within the last 3 months of 2017. I just want to tell you guys that it's okay to feel not so positive, even if you are generally a positive person. If you ask any of my friends, hopefully they'll say that I'm pretty positive, or I have been in most of my high school years or in middle school, I guess. I've always just kind of wanted to be like, happy and like just spread positivity around my friends and always be in a positive attitude and just always be like a morning person as well. Like I'm always like that person that's like really hyper in the morning, but I finally just like cracked and I just haven't been feeling myself a lot at all. New year, fresh start, and I'm feeling a lot better. I'm just doing more things that I like and deciding to film today and tonight. It's currently 9:39 p.m. and I've never filmed at night like in a while, so doing this right now is just bringing back a lot of memories and I'm loving it, and I like talking to the camera right now, so hopefully this is cool with you guys. I don't know what anything I just said, but I'm doing okay, guys. I'm doing a lot better. I'm not so like yes, like I'm so great, I'm like okay AF, but like I'm just improving in a way. I'm thinking happier thoughts, I'm doing more positive things, and I think this whole like room change I just did, thank you to my parents for helping me with this. I think the change of environment in here has helped me a lot, because I've had the same environment ever since I was 8 years old, so everything is just always brought back memories and like things like that. So just changing everything in here is almost like a fresh start for me. I'm just working on the mentality part now and just with myself. And a lot of you guys also asked what's my current favorite makeup product. So as a beauty vlogger type person, I gotta mention that I have a new favorite brand, guys. I've been obsessed with NARS. I've liked NARS in the past, like their lipsticks I've had from like little sets and stuff, but I've really been into the brand. I have an eyeshadow palette I got for Christmas. I use a lot of NARS lip products. What else? The skin tint is, I love that. Skin tint, I have their Bois de Plage palette, which is a highlighting bronzer palette, which I love as well. So NARS has been a huge favorite of mine recently. Moving on, a lot of you guys asked about college, so where I want to go, what I want to major in, and right now, as of now, I want to go to business school, general business management or administration, stuff like that. I haven't really figured out the specifics yet because I just don't want to be like, I'm not like a business person. Like I want to be more creative. I want to know about product development. I want to know about fashion design, merchandising, all that stuff. So I haven't figured out what I exactly want to major or minor in yet, but I'm looking at a lot of different schools with a good strong business school or program. I don't know. But of course, since I live here in Maryland, I look at College Park for the Smith School of Business. There's NYU, there's Stearns, Fordham has the Gabelli School of Business. I looked at U of M, there's FITM, which is like a general like fashion institute of design and merchandising. And then I looked at UC's, of course. I personally want to stay on the East Coast or as close to the East Coast as possible. But I of course looked into, Berkeley. But Berkeley has always been like a dream school of mine ever since I was in middle school. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at right now. There's a lot more on my list. I don't know if I'm gonna apply to all those schools, but yeah, I'm just looking into business right now. And a lot of you guys asked how JC and I met, and if you guys don't know, JC is my BF, my best friend. We always answer these on our lives, but we met technically through Instagram because we had like mutual friends or whatever. And actually, I don't know if I'm allowed to say this, but I'll just say it, but I was following at the time, and I saw her post about him or something, or tag him because I think they were dating. I know, crazy. And I have a tendency of following couples that I think are cute. Any just cute couples on Instagram. I'm just like a sucker for those cute little things, and I'm just like, oh my god, like I have to follow both people. And I didn't know that they broke up. I was kind of oblivious. And we just followed on Instagram. I found out that he went to a school that some of my friends go to, and we were just like, what the heck, you live like 20 minutes away from me. So we just met up one day, and we met at a bookstore because we're nerds. Yeah, and it went from there. So I hope that explains it. I don't know if that was too juicy. And I got a lot of questions about dating. Is JC my boyfriend? JC this, JC that. Can we just not? Like, why can't we just be BFFs? Like, why do you guys just like always conclude these things? Honestly, I feel attacked. I feel attacked. Like, can we just share clothes, like jackets, and just be friends? Come on, honestly. Conclude it for yourself. Think what you want to think, guys. A lot of you guys asked about my goals for 2018 or like my resolutions, and I just hope to improve myself this year. That's all I ever really want, just to be a better me. Because why the heck would you want to downgrade, The next question, I got this a lot. You guys are asking me how I like driving, how's driving, do I have my license yet, do I just have my permit, how's my car, because you guys know that I got a car for my birthday. So here's the answer. Hopefully you don't hate me for this. I don't have my license yet, which probably doesn't make sense because I have a car, but I have my permit. I practice driving. I actually practice in my sister's car, which is smaller than my own, because my parents got me an SUV. Don't scream at me. Like, I'm truly blessed. Like, I offer to pay for a lot of my things, but my parents are just very, they insist on paying for like the big things in my life. They surprised me with a car for my birthday. I never really asked for it because I don't have my license yet. There's like no reason for me to get a car, but one day I just came home and it was there with a big bow, and I was like, what the heck? But yeah, my parents got me a Lexus RX. I don't know what year it is. I kind of forgot. Maybe it's 2017. It's brand new, which is crazy. I know, but It's a nice car. I haven't actually driven it yet. I'm quite scared. It's very snowy right now. It's very icy, so I'm very scared. I know I'm one day have to drive in a weather like that. But I drive okay, pretty well. My dad doesn't have any problems with me anymore. It's going well. I could get my license. I just have to do drive times and stuff like that. But I'm quite lazy and I just have a lot of shit going on, so I'm not trying to put a bunch of things on my plate, even though I could just get it out of the way and not procrastinate. I'm just really bad at time management at the moment. I used to be really good. I don't know what happened, guys. And those are all of the most frequently asked questions at the moment. Hopefully that was kind of interesting. I don't really know what I just said, any of that. I'm kind of tired. I don't really know. I have a lot of stuff coming up, just a lot of requests that you guys have for me or have been having for me these past couple of months, and I haven't done a haul video in a while and I feel kind of sad because I love haul videos. I love filming them for you guys and just like styling. I have a lot of stuff coming up, lots of changes. I'll update you guys on my current favorite anything in upcoming videos. So anyway, that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. My arms are getting cold, so let me just put this back on. I really don't know what to say. Thank you guys so much for sticking by me. I know I've just been so inconsistent. Hopefully I can come back stronger this year. I have lots of ideas. I think I just need to find the motivation and inspiration to put it out and share it with you guys. I'm working on it, so thank you guys for being patient with me. I know I'm always pretty enthusiastic or just pretty upbeat, or I try to be in my videos, just so you guys can see like how I can be or like how I feel when I'm doing what I love. But other than this, I'm a human being. I'm just like any of you guys. I have all types of feelings, so bear with me as I try to come back to life. I'm not dead, but I'm not alive either, so you know. I just want to let you guys know that I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. I support you and all that you do. Teenage years are hard, I know, but it only gets a little more difficult from here. Sorry to say that. And if you're younger than me, something I would tell my younger self is just to put myself out there. Don't be afraid to talk and speak, answer questions in class, say hi to a new friend. Honestly, if I can go back to my middle school days, I would definitely change. One thing is just to talk to more people. I always stuck with the same group of friends. I kind of always felt alone, or I just didn't feel fit. So that's why I found YouTube. I found a platform where I can share my ideas and just talk to people I don't really know, but just talk to a camera and just like say what I always wanted to say, or just be a version of me that I just couldn't show in real life. Find a new hobby, try something you've always wanted to try, and just make every day better, the next day better. So yeah, I think that's everything off my chest and I can finally go to sleep. I hope you guys have a great day, night, afternoon, evening, I don't know what to say. But I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Wait, I think JC wants to say bye beauties. If he doesn't answer, he misses his chance to say bye beauties.
Oh my god, yes.
Do you want to say bye beauties?
Called in the fucking... What?
Do you want to say bye?
Oh, bye. Wait, bye what?
Bye to my...
Oh, you want to say bye to... Oh. Bye, beauties.
You have to